So today we're going to demonstrate for you the BLE PCR silo testing that we did in the Auburn Hills office. So Rob is going to go ahead and open the door to the silo to show our testing setup. We have a pallet of sand, about 6 inches deep, filled to the top with sand. This interior diameter of the silo is 2.5 meters. The silo goes up to a little over 4 meters in height. In the application, the BLE PCR sensor will be mounted on top. We'll show you that shortly. Rob is going to go ahead and close the silo door, and we're going to demonstrate how we would move the pallet of sand up and down using a pulley system on the side of the silo. Rob now has the controller for the pulley system, and now he will start to lift the pallet of sand. You can see the pulley start to come down as it's lifting the pallet of sand in the interior of the drum. Now we're going to show a still shot of the BLE PCR attached to the silo. We're up on the top now. It's attached to the metal beam with the radar signal pointed downward using a lens. The BLE PCR sends advertisement data to a phone over BLE, and the result is displayed on the GUI over to the right. So right now, before we start, we have the pallet of sand set to about 1.3 meters away from the BLE PCR. For our silo detection right now, the math, it equates to about 66% full, as you can see. And now we'll go ahead and start the video and show how that changes as we lower the pallet of sand. So now as it lowers slowly, you'll see that percentage start to drop. It's simulating sand exiting the silo. Also, you can see the fill distance on the bottom left as well change. It gets further away, clearly because the sand is moving further away. It goes pretty close to the bottom in this case. I think the lowest we show in this video is 3.6 meters. The max detectable range for this device is 5 meters. A little extra for you here is just showing how we did some of the development and some of the testing for the BLE PCR, right? For this case, we actually have a development kit for the PCR hooked up to the same location, and using that, we were able to connect to a computer over USB serial communication to get some waveforms to better visualize the data as we changed parameters of the PCR. As you can see, you can kind of see the peak of the reflected waveforms coming back from the radar of the sand, and it's going to slowly move to the left, indicating that the pallet of sand is getting closer and closer in distance to the BLE PCR.